Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Trip is back with another video, and this time I'm making delicious Mexican tacos. That's gonna have 10 slices of juicy steak and homemade spicy mayonnaise. You're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. In a bowl, add dried oregano, dried chipotle, red chili powder, ground cumin, black pepper, smoked paprika, salt, mortar and pestle, 1 red chili, crush it into a fine paste. Leftover juices, garlic, take your knife and remove. Fresh coriander, get a sieve, squeeze in oranges, lemon and lime. Dark soy sauce. Finish it off with olive oil. Now give this a good mix. Have a little taste. Amazing. Remove some of the marinade for later use. A cut off steak. Grab a bag. Add the steak in. Seal. Now pound it using a rolling pin. This will make sure the meat gets marinated properly. Remove it onto a board. Slice it into 3 portions. In the marinade. Make sure to soak it properly. Now it's best if you leave it in the fridge to marinate for 24 hours. Please. Medium heat touch of oil. When nice and hot, start adding the steak. Four to 5 minutes on each side for well cooked. Turn it over and let it cook. Looking for those nice griddle marks. Let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Turn the knife to 45 angle and thinly slice. Mix in some of that marinade. Spicy mayonnaise, a large egg yolk, English or Dijon mustard. Season with black pepper and salt. Break the egg yolk and give it a mix. Start adding oil slowly while you mix it. Make sure everything is at room temperature. As you can see, the mayonnaise is coming along. Lemon juice for some freshness. Extract of your favorite chili. Give it a mix. Spicy mayonnaise. Done. Have a little taste. For the taco shells, cupcake or a muffin pan. Place the tortilla in the middle. Now you can use corn or plain tortillas, the choice is yours. And to be honest, I like my taco shells both crispy or soft. In the oven at 170 Celsius for 6 minutes. So now that we have everything we need, grab a taco shell. Spread some of the spicy mayonnaise inside. Fill it with some thinly sliced juicy steak. That fresh marinade, onions or shallots, and finally fresh coriander. Delicious. You can serve these tacos with pico de gallo, any of your favorite salsa, etc. So here you have my mouth-watering Mexican style steak tacos with homemade spicy mayonnaise. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try these delicious tacos. Bismillah, let's go. So much much flavor. Wow. They are so fresh, full of flavor. You're definitely gonna enjoy it. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.